Okay, we're going to do a quick visual condition report looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, and any cosmetic imperfections that I can find. Overall, this car is in fantastic condition inside and out, but it does have its flaws, so we are going to go over some of those. Overall, that wheel looks good. Here on the fender, got a rock chip here, a little scuff there, a chip right here. You can see a scratch and a little graze mark. And a couple chips. Got a chip there, a couple small ones. Got a chip here. And then you have some chips down here, and you can see that paint right there is kind of flaking and bubbling on that corner. That A-pillar looks good. This section right here looks good. That chrome is clean on the front face. I do see some imperfections right here. Got a chip there. That lower rocker looks good. Got a transfer mark here, a chip, and some scuffs. And then you can see the clear coat's kind of chipping away around that fuel door. And then a few chips. Couple little imperfections and scuffs, a few more chips, but otherwise this side looks good. That wheel's nice and clean, so it's all really minor stuff. And keep in mind, this is a very unique color, and in camera you can see the hues change a lot. And so if you look at the photos, we are going to edit those to look as true to color as possible, making sure you understand what this color looks like. Of course, being in person is going to be best, but just know when you look at the photos, those are going to be the most accurate representation of this color. Here on the hood, we have a chip there and a couple more making their way up the top, all very minor. Got a few more here. Overall, that headlight looks good. You're going to see some touch-up spots here on the edge. That grille looks nice. This area is clean. Overall, this front end looks really nice. And then looking in the engine bay, trying to get close so you can see some of the details. Overall, this looks really nice. And this underhood liner is in really good condition. Then looking at this fender, got a scratch right here. The rest of that upper section looks good. Got a small chip here. That wheel looks nice. Although the paint down here looks good, it's not bubbling anywhere. A couple of small scuffs. All of that looks nice. That mirror looks good. Here on the A-pillar, got a couple scratches, a little chip. You can see on the weather stripping, you have a couple spots here. There is some scuffs and chips here on the edge. Overall, that door looks good. A couple tiny surface scuffs. Otherwise, that quarter panel's clean. That wheel looks awesome. Looking at the top here. It looks good. This car is really clean. A great example. And then looking at the back, starting with these taillights. Those look awesome. Little corrosion or wear on that chrome. That taillight looks good. Couple little scuffs. There's a chip. See some minor scratches and imperfections here. Looks like possibly a small crack in the clear or just a scratch. It's kind of hard to see. It's very minor. Then looking at the chrome bumper, has your typical scuffs. I do see some dings throughout. But otherwise, I don't see any extensive damage. So that back end looks really nice. And then here in the trunk, looks like you got your 6-disc changer. We got some sort of amp. Some paperwork here that we'll go through. Otherwise, this all looks really good. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it actually smells really good in here. Looking at this door panel, that looks gorgeous. Super, super clean. Got a couple scuffs here, but otherwise that kick plate area looks nice. And these seats look perfect. Absolutely gorgeous seats. Here on the steering wheel, very minor wear, a couple little scuffs here and there. Otherwise, that looks good. Carpets look nice. Floor mats look amazing. And then you have the originals underneath. See a little scuff right there. Otherwise, the console looks good. This is a very, very clean interior. Look at that headliner. Visors, they got a couple scuffs here and there, but otherwise, those look good. I do see a little wear on the edge here. The rest of that looks good though. Checking out the jams. And then here in the back seat, of course, it is a delete. Looks like something is missing there on the side of the console and it was stitched together. Got a little indentation here from just touching the edge of this trim back here, but otherwise that seat back looks amazing. Very clean back here. And then looking at this door panel, all of that leather looks amazing. I mean, this panel is super clean. The kick plate area looks awesome, and these seats look perfect. Nice and soft. I don't see any imperfections here. This armrest looks good. All of this wood grain looks amazing. I do see a small crack right there on the shifter. Everything else though looks good. Checking out this dash. Here on this side looks good. Let's go through the window. See if we can't look in a little more. It's gonna be hard to see, but it looks nice. It's a very clean car. And looking at the top here, this looks perfect. I don't see any rips, tears, stains, or anything. This thing looks brand new. Nice dark brown color. All of this is clear. I'm not seeing really any flaws on it. Of course, then you have the hardtop.